Sensibility and practicality define the 2015 Ford Focus Electric. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this hatchback hits the mark with consumers demanding economical versatility. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front dual-zone air conditioning, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.